Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing assignment 18 class 6th. Lesson Trade in Agriculture, Produce, Weekly Market, Sunday Santa in Chowtuppal. The first question is, what is the arrangement in Chowtuppal Santa? Chowtuppal is an highway in between the Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Hyderabad to Vijayawada. So it is one of the smallest city, right? Now it is a municipality now at present. Okay, Chowtuppal is one of the important Santa. Santa means, first of all we are discussing about Santa means weekly once where the market is arranged. That is called a Santa in the rural area. Once again I am repeating, Santa means the weekly market in rural area is known as a Santa, and which is nearer, means the city arrange one type of Santa, and besides of all rural areas also to completely and connect with them, right? And Chowtuppal also one of the important Santa, and which is arranged or which is situated on highway 65. Okay, so it is means what is that one allotted for trading cattle, because it is nearer to the Hyderabad, so it is one of the important places. Next, another one is grocery items. Next one is non-edible items. How many items? 3 items are well known in the Chowtuppal Santa. The first one is trading and cattle, means the number of one separate and cattle Santa is there. Second one is grocery items are there. Third one is non-edible items are there. Next, second question. Differentiate between the permanent markets and Santa. Yes, the first of all we are discussing about what is Santa. Santa is one of the important place, and which is and it is a trade and move from one Santa to another to sell their goods. One of the person when those are traders are move from one place to another place, means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, weekly wise, and then different types of places. Traders are moved from one place to another place. Traders are move and along with the trading goods and from one place to another place. Like and Chowtuppal, Narkatpalli, right, and then Nakrekal, different types of Santas are there. So, and those are moving from one place to another place, weekly ones, right? And they will be held and for a day in a week. Means weekly ones, means that every day one Santa. Then the traders are moved from one place to another place. Then another important thing is, and then here there are 2 type of Santas are there in the rural areas and then as well as urban areas. Rural and urban areas. Then in our country, approximately 25,000 Santas are there. How many Santas? 25,000 Santas are there in our country, which is recognized by the government of India. Recognized by the government of India. Okay, next. Then another one is the permanent markets. The permanent markets are already you know about it. The most of the permanent markets are in cities and towns. So here the permanent markets and then different types of and big stalls and malls are there. And here different types of goods and they will collect and from the rural area. Afterwards and those are stored and in their means and stalls. Afterwards they are selling. Means continuous process. Daily those are selling their goods. Then what about the position of the Santa? Weekly ones they and means what is that one? Sell their products in a particular place. Did you understand about it? Next, another one is the wholesale markets are there. Wholesale markets nothing but and today and different types of cities and the number of malls are there and different types of then what is that one and like and Reliance and then different types of stalls also will be, and those are collected more goods and from the rural area and then afterwards in the and what is that one lump sum and goods and then afterwards collected, then they sell their products continuously and through a particular place. Did you understand here? Particular place. Okay, so here the farmers also completely and then Ida and Santa means what is that one in the permanent and markets every time and approximately 10 to 15 villages and then those are then what is that one different types of stalls and other producers and collected lot of goods and from the village, nearer to the village, and which are and nearer and to the town and city. Okay, next, third question. The third question is, how can the government help vendors like Gauri? Gauri is one of the vendor, street vendor. So she is completely and selling their and products like different types of groceries and then other important things. Right. Then here the government also completely help to the like and Gauri, because those are collecting different types of products nearby the village, or they are producing their and products, and then afterwards they sell their and goods from house to house. Is it right? Street vendors, house to house. So here and government also completely help to them. How they are and helping? Through the bank. If those are and completely and explain means what is those are and completely and supporting to them, and then what will be those are and arranged in separate and places, and then afterwards they and products also sell in a particular place. Okay, next. So then government, and already you know and about it, and then SHG means here and here, and then what is it for different types of it is a one of the government organization and which are and completely only the women and getting and help, and from the SHG those are collecting 25 NP interest, which are the government providing separated loans to them. So this is also, that is called in Telugu Pavla Vadi. Okay, so and this is also one of the important scheme, and particularly those are government and help to like Gauri. Okay, next. So here and different types of facilities also those are providing, especially the vendors, street vendors. Okay, so here these all are important government programs and which are getting help and from the government side, and non-governmental organizations also giving lot of help to the street vendors. Okay children, I hope that you understood and this assignment. Thank you.